When it comes to keeping your car looking its best, a good car cleaning kit is essential. Whether you're a novice car owner or have been around cars for a while, you know regular maintenance is key to keeping your vehicle running smoothly and looking its best. While most other maintenance ensures your car will enjoy a long life, keeping your vehicle clean will ensure it looks as good on the outside as it's running on the inside. In this video, we'll review the top 3 best car detailing kit, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different car detailing kit. By the end, you'll know exactly which best car detailing kit is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. Ceramic Trim Coat Kit. The Ceramic Trim Coat Kit by Cerakote is a game changer for restoring and protecting your vehicle's plastic trim. Unlike traditional trim dressings that wash off after a few car washes, this ceramic coating bonds directly to the surface, ensuring long-lasting results that withstand 200+ washes while maintaining a showroom new look. Application is quick and hassle-free. Simply clean the trim, let it dry, and use the pre-saturated wipes provided to achieve a rich, like new finish in under 30 minutes. More than just a cosmetic fix, this ceramic coating cures to the plastic, offering durable protection against fading and harmful UV rays. Backed by scientific innovation, Cerakote products are trusted worldwide by leading automotive, aerospace, and technology companies. Made in the USA with in-house chemists, this trim coat is science-based, not marketing hype, making it one of the most reliable solutions available for long-term trim care and protection. Number 2. Hybrid Solutions Graphene Acrylic Trim Restorer. The Hybrid Solutions Graphene Acrylic Trim Restorer is an advanced solution designed to bring faded, dull exterior trim back to life with a deep, long-lasting black finish. Its innovative formula, combining graphene and acrylic polymers, not only restores but also creates a durable protective coating that resists fading, oxidation, and damage from harmful UV rays. Unlike ordinary restorers that quickly wash away, this product withstands car washes, seasonal weather, and road salts, ensuring your trim maintains its sleek, like new look for the long term. The quick-dry formula works within minutes, leaving behind a clean, glossy finish that instantly enhances the overall appearance of your vehicle while providing superior protection against dirt and grime. Application is simple and effective. Just apply to cool, dry, and clean trim for best results, with the option of a second coat for an even richer finish. A reliable choice for both restoration and protection. Number 3. CR Guys Plastic Restorer. The CR Guys Plastic Restorer is a top-quality solution for reviving and protecting faded plastic and trim surfaces, both inside and outside your vehicle. Unlike many restorers that fade quickly or wash away after the first rain, this formula is designed to last for several months, keeping your trim looking fresh and restored. It provides a water-repellent finish that won't streak or wash off, ensuring your vehicle maintains its clean, polished look even in harsh weather. One of its standout features is the dry-to-the-touch finish, eliminating the greasy, oily mess common with other products. This means no more ruined towels or sticky residue, just a clean, deep finish that enhances your vehicle's appearance. Formulated with advanced science and made in the USA, CR Guys ensures exceptional quality and consistency. Backed by real customer support, this product is a reliable choice for anyone who wants long-lasting, professional detailing results. Thanks for watching the video.